people, what's popping? So this is just a random one. Okay, so I've been waiting for light to like this never like since to film my videos. Already I've put down content ideas and my next two contents they are already ready, right? So I've been waiting for light to film. Although that's not an excuse though, but so right now they brought the light a while ago and I'm already set to go out to make my hair because my hair is so rough. See, it's scattered. So just come with me. Let's go make my hair together. So yeah. So today we'll manage what we have. Okay. Manage what we have today. Let's go change this braid. Or let's go change this hair. Okay, so here I already go to the salon and the ladies already did their job. All right. So as I sat there, I couldn't just stop thinking. Like I couldn't just stop thinking about one thing. How I am going to finally get my first $100 from YouTube before the end of the year. Like before this 2025 ends. You see, I have been on YouTube for a while now. But if we are being honest, I haven't been consistent, honestly. Life happened, procrastination came in, business, many other distractions. Ja. Honestly, it's especially my business, so my affiliate marketing business. Even sometimes I don't just feel like showing up. But this December, you see, this December 31st, I don't want to end the year with a nice hair alone. I want to end the year holding my very first YouTube paycheck, honestly. Now, the truth is, YouTube is not magic. It isn't magic at all. You don't just post one video and then, boom, you are paid. No, there is the grind, the planning, the showing up, even when nobody is watching. If you're not ready to do that, then YouTube is not for you, honestly. So I'm sitting here, I'm making a promise to myself and saying it loud to you. From now to December, I am going all in by the help of God, by the grace, by the special grace of God. I am posting more, I'm learning more, and showing up like someone who knows her first $100 is already on the way. And maybe you are watching this thinking it's just $100. But to me, it's a proof that the late nights, the planning, and yes, even this voiceover while I'm getting my hair done will all be worth it. This hair, this is just part of the glow up. The real glow up will be when I hit my YouTube threshold and say, we did it. Yeah, so here is to new hair, new energy, and my first $100. Let's go, guys. So at this point, the stylist was already done. Voila, see my beautiful, pretty corn roll. I don't know, these days I've just been making a lot of corn rolls. Okay, I think basically because I don't really go out often. I'm always using wigs these days. But very soon I'm going to shock you in my new hairstyle. So what do you think of this hair? It's fine, it's pretty, I know. All right, I was just checking myself out to feel myself. I was just feeling myself here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're yet to join the family, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, give this video a thumbs up as well. See you in my next video. Bye.